Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are doing a fidget haul. And before we get into the video, make sure you like, subscribe, turn those push notifications on, and let's get started into the video. I have 24 mochis in here, a squishy, that is an ice cream sundae, this from a fidget pack, a maze ball, 5 poppets. These were my first fidgets. These were in a fidget pack. I have an octopus, a plushie octopus, silly strings, a butterfly poppet, a fidget from a fidget pack, rings, they look like rings, a snake string, a huge poppet that my parents got me at Chicago, infinity cube, wacky track, a little squishy duck, and this marble mash, 2 pea poppers, one is in my backpack, another marble mash, a purple white marble mash, a pea popper, a bike chain, and the ice cream sundaes that I just, and a squishy. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn those post notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Make sure to friend me on Roblox. My name is Vanessa'S0112. I will let you guys look at it for 10 seconds. Alright, I hope you guys friend me and make sure you have a great day. Bye! So satisfying. It will never end.